Welcome to 17394 Sunset Trail here in Prior Lake, where luxury and lake living come together on the shores of Spring Lake. Today we're touring a truly remarkable new construction home offering nearly 5,000 square feet of thoughtfully designed space. Inside you'll be greeted by soaring vaulted ceilings, warm wood accents, and a stunning floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace that anchors the open concept main floor. The kitchen features a large center island and flows into the great room and out onto a spacious Trex deck overlooking the water. You've got 2 bedrooms on the main level, including a gorgeous primary suite and 2 additional bedrooms and a loft on the upper level. The home also features a 3-car garage that has a huge bonus room right above that and offers private access and endless possibilities. Studio, fitness room, or guest retreat, you name it. You're also going to want to stay through the whole video to see the amazing lower level as well. 12-foot cedar ceilings, in-floor heating, a custom wet bar, sauna, and your very own indoor heated swimming pool give you a wonderful space for year-round enjoyment. You can also step right out to the lakefront patio and soak in the lifestyle that makes Spring Lake so desirable. If this is your first time to the channel, I'm Mark Comparato with the Call the Comps Real Estate team at Real Broker. My wife Brittany and I represent a wide range of clients in the Twin Cities as well as clients relocating to Minnesota. As your buyer representatives, our job is to protect your best interests, making sure pricing, contract terms, inspections, and upgrades align with your goals. Buyer representation can save you thousands and help you navigate a process that is often more complex than buyers expect. And to help you even further, we put together a completely free buyer's guide linked in the description below. Whether you're buying your first home, upgrading, or looking for lakefront property like this, it walks you through how to find the best values, line up the right financing, and avoid the most common mistakes we see in today's market. It's an incredible resource. Be sure to download it free with the link in the description below. for joining me on the tour today. If you'd like a private showing or want to explore lakefront homes in Prior Lake, we'd love to hear from you. Reach out anytime or just drop a comment below. For more tours like this, give us a like and subscribe for future videos, because you never know, your dream home could be one tour away. I'll see you next time.